Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make different paper patterns using coffee. So if you love coffee and craft, this is the video for you. So grab your papers and your cup of coffee and let's get started. I've taken an A4 size sheet. If you want a smaller version, just fold it and then you'll get something like this. And if you want a smaller version than this, all you have to do is again fold it and cut it and you'll get something like this. Now let's do the patterns. For the first one, we are going to pour the coffee just like this. Now take a brush and spread it. If you want it to be more darker, then just add more coffee powder and you'll be good to go. Now we are going to make circles. For this I have poured more coffee powder because I want it to be darker. Now take a cup and just dip and dab. Let me show you how. Also don't put a lot of pressure while doing this. I'll show you the difference when you put a lot of pressure, how it looks like. So this is how it looks like when you put a lot of pressure. So basically on your left hand side it's with pressure and on your right it's without the pressure. For the third one, I'm gonna use the same mixture that I used for the circles because I want it to be darker, and then pour it like this. Now take a straw and blow it. For the fourth one, I'm using a loofah. Again, the same technique of dip and dab. Similarly, you can use other things, probably like a sponge. I'll give it a shot with a leaf also. Let's see how that is going to turn out. Okay, let's try out the leaf version. Okay, so this didn't work out at all. So what we can do here is add more coffee powder, make it a thick paste, basically a fine paste, not thick, and then try to apply it. But here I'm proceeding with the same thing. For this one, all you have to do is splatter the coffee using this toothbrush. It is that easy and it's quite fun, so yeah, give this one a shot. For this one, just place the threads however you want, then pour some coffee and use your paintbrush to spread it. That's it. You can make a bookmark, greeting card. Let me give you a close-up look.